Hey, Mike from Mike's Wild World here. Out looking around for the elusive pawpaw. Yeah, this is the season. This is a little feather on a low hanging limb here, deep in the forest. I think it's an acquired taste. I'm not overly fond of it, but then I'm a little bit of a picky eater. You might enjoy these if you can find some. You know, they don't keep very well, and they're not sold in the markets or anything like that. You know, this is a 2 or 3 day survival item at best. It'll go bad really quick. But right now, they're not quite ready. I don't think. I think we're looking for just another week probably on this. But it's an interesting taste, being kind of tropical, and it has kind of like a custard or a kind of a tart custard taste to it. I'm not overly fond of it. So
I can't remember who I was talking to the other day, but I said I never had tried a pawpaw before. So, does this one taste like the ones you've had before, or is it sweeter?
No, this is about right.
See, I kind of like it. Some people don't like it. Some people
likes
do.
it. You already eat those seeds.
No, I'm not eating seeds.
They'll squirt right through you. So after the pawpaw incident, I'm looking for a particular place that okay, wait a minute. Here you go. Yeah, there's your orb weaver. I didn't want a face full of that. I'll go around him. Oop, there's another one. Must be his brother right there. The fall is notorious for its spider content. So we've got some log hopping here to do. And then to the nice place. See you on the other side of that tree. Six-inch bass for supper? I'll take that. That'd work out okay. And a couple of small brim. Maybe a little bigger. You probably see me eat them smaller than that. But yeah, just a little hole here would be enough for at least one meal anyway. And right in here, you see where the ground is kind of dug up. And that's either armadillo. Could be some type of feral hog, but they probably do a lot worse damage if you have hogs in here. I think it's armadillo. It's time for some lunch. Raincoat, tarp, don't need it. Food bag, definitely need it. Chair. Tarp. Frying pan. Coffee cup. I think Chris is supposed to make some amazing coffee today somewhere, so I think we're ready.
I'm curious. What do you got planned for lunch?
Let's see. Whatever you're having.
Well, you know, I always bring enough just in case. I've been on this rice noodle kick lately. It only, you know, once your water's boiling, it only takes like literally one minute to cook them. It's kind of like, you know, it has the consistency of ramen, but a little bit lighter, a little bit I like them.
Good.
And since we're on the river, or the creek, I decided I was going to bring some more of this smoked smoked trout.
Yeah.
So I cooked the rice noodles, and then I just put the trout in there. Maybe put some soy sauce and some Texas Pete.
Oh yeah, you need some Mikey sauce in there.
Yeah, I'll try it.
You'll try some?
Yeah.
Okay. That could be an issue. Oh, there it is.
What was the issue?
Thought I'd lost the thing to put on the nozzle here, on the turn it off and on with. Okay, stirring up these noodles with a little vegetable in there. Go ahead and add the bacon in. We'll go with a touch more water. What's her? Texas Petey? Yeah. Yeah. It's not complete without Texas Petey.
Got that right.
I'm gonna say that about my Mikey sauce over here.
Oh man, I forgot about the Mikey sauce.
No, you're
I'm
okay.
adding my soy and
You're okay, man. A little extra water in here, because we're not through yet. We still gotta fix this up special. And a little bit of Mikey sauce. Okay, a lot of Mikey sauce. There we go. Crack the egg up in there. Stir that in. There's a little fusion going on here. I have no idea if that's actually fusion or not, but maybe it's an infusion.
it's kind of funny how we both decided to go Asian inspired with our
I know.
lunch today. Isn't it?
Yeah. There we go. Crank that down to just a simmer. I don't think I have anything else to put in that. There we go.
Sounds pretty good. I'm going to drain some of my liquid off. Maybe over here somewhere.
All right, so ouch. Yeah, that water's hot. Yeah, that was it. Definitely got hot water. So let's use this. Yeah.
Hey. Whoop, I'm ready for that hot water. if you got enough to put in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, that's
Yeah.
a hazelnut.
Oh,
coffee.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Carolina Chris Outdoors inspired noodles. I've added bacon, scrambled egg, and Mikey sauce. Bacon, Who doesn't like bacon? I can tell you don't like bacon. Pigs. What do you think, Chris?
I think if you put it in front of them, they'd eat it.
I think they would.
I got the smoked trout, peas and carrots, and rice noodles with Mikey sauce and the Texas Pete hot sauce and soy sauce, and then whatever the dry ingredients and the oils and stuff that they give you in that packet of rice noodles. So I got it all in here. Of course, not y'all, but y'all.
Exactly.
Maybe not all y'all, but all y'all.
Yeah.
See me
Maybe
eat these
not
things
y'all,
before,
but
and
maybe y'all.
I'm sorry that you just have to eat these things mannerless. So I'm closing off my camera, shutting it down.
We found this really nice place here on the creek bank, and we've got some distance between us and civilization. Now you might hear an occasional plane. You know, we always hear that. That's always a problem. Planes flying over. At least there's no motorboats in this area that I know of. Whatever else, I don't know. Maybe there's some wildlife hanging out waiting for us to leave. But we really think the setting is really spectacular. We woke up to just pouring rain this morning, and there's a little break going on today. So we're out here and about looking for a nice place to set up a camp. And but this evening we're going to have more torrential rain, so I feel real fortunate we got clear skies right now. So like Chris said, we're not going to make you watch us eat. That's kind of gross. But we're going to finish this up, maybe have a cup of coffee, and then scout out the area. Okay, we got a dark cloud kind of moving overhead now, and you can feel the air just change. So not sure what that means, but I know we are moving into the witching hour, as they say. We might just get a downpour here. So
Wow.
we'll finish this up.
To be honest, it wouldn't feel that bad, a downpour. I just hate to get all my gear wet.
I know.
Other than that, but taking a shower.
Yeah, it's really humid.
It's 100. Did I mention it was 150 degrees out
It's
here?
150.
And the humidity was about 400.
Yeah.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah. Boy, that's good. How's your coffee?
It's good. I'm glad I decided to go ahead and have some.
Let's see. He's right. It's good. Now, that's not like the magically wild roasted bushcraft coffee that you may have seen earlier. Just plain old Folgers. Ran out of water, went down, took the knock bag, and I am going to definitely use this as a squeeze bag today because, you know, we have the storm thing, and it was raining and it just quit, so I'm ready to get out of here.
All right, man. I'm ready.
You ready?
Oh, I did.
Chris is ready. I'm ready. We're all packed up. The rain held off just a little bit for us to give us a running start here. And so we'll head off back through the woods. Skeeters are just getting awful. So ready when you are, bud. So how to get past this ravine. Huh. Back here and around. I'm gonna go right here. Yep, a little bit more. Chris took the shortcut.
Well, I'm thinking about crossing the creek and going back up the way we came.
But then you'll be on the wrong side of the creek.
Oh. We didn't come down right there?
We came down right there, and then we stayed on this side.
That's what I mean. I'm going to go across there and then go back.
Oh, you want to go back that way?
I think
sorry,
that looks...
I misunderstood your verbiage, sir. So you want to go down there instead of going through here, right?
What do you think?
I'm going to go right here. All right, down and up. All right, tripod, third point of contact. Ah, there we go. Shimmy, crickets.
All right. Crawdads in here.
Yes. I see the mud bug holes all over the place.
Well, that's what I want to do. I want to catch some of those.
Yeah. Oops. There they are. That water is beautiful. It's nice and fresh, and it tastes so good too after it's filtered. Okay, I'm gonna watch Chris get his phone off his tripod through my baggie that's now over the camera, so it'll be waterproof. Yeah, we're getting the rain now. Wow. Okay, so shooting video through the plastic bag of training cats and dogs. I just stepped in a poodle. So yeah, there's that rain. My camera is up under my hat with me, so it looks a little weird. I probably sound really loud. So, we get a shot of where we come out to from the big woods. And the promise of rain did not disappoint.
Be sure to watch Chris on his channel, Carolina Chris Outdoors.
I need a windshield wiper.
I was surprised to see this cormorant, who seems to enjoy the rain a lot more than I do. Like and subscribe if you can. And thanks for watching.